So, you've just gotten your shiny new Relay Bank card and you're itching to start using it, right? But wait, there's one tiny little step before you can swipe, tap, or insert it: activation. Don't worry, it's not rocket science, but it is important. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple process of activating your Relay Bank card. Let's face it, nobody likes reading through pages of instructions, right? So, we're going to keep it short, sweet, and to the point. No fluff, just facts. We'll break down the process into easy-to-follow steps, and if you get stuck, don't worry, we've got you covered. First things first, let's talk about why you need to activate your card. It's basically like giving your card the green light to start working its magic. Think of it as unlocking the full potential of your plastic friend. Once it's activated, you can start enjoying all the perks that come with being a Relay Bank customer. Now, let's dive into the actual activation process. There are a couple of ways to do it, and we'll cover both options. The first method is the most common and probably the easiest. All you need is your card and your phone. Method 1. Activate your card using the Relay Bank app. If you haven't already downloaded the Relay Bank app, head over to your app store and grab it. Once it's installed, open the app and log into your account. You should see an option to activate your card. Tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions. It's usually as simple as entering the card number and the CVV code on the back of the card. Method 2. Activate your card by phone. If you prefer to do things the old-fashioned way, you can activate your card by calling Relay Bank customer service. You'll need to have your card handy when you call. The customer service representative will guide you through the activation process. Once you've successfully activated your card, you should be able to use it right away. However, there might be a short delay before it's fully activated, so don't panic if it doesn't work immediately. Now, let's talk about some common activation issues. Sometimes, things don't go as planned, and you might encounter a few bumps in the road. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are some common problems and how to fix them. Incorrect card details. Double-check that you've entered the correct card number and CVV code. Network issues. Make sure you have a stable internet connection if you're activating your card through the app. Card is already activated. If you've already activated your card, you won't be able to do it again. Card is damaged. If your card is damaged, you'll need to request a replacement. If you're still having trouble activating your card, don't hesitate to contact Relay Bank customer service for assistance. They'll be happy to help you get it sorted out. And there you have it. Activating your Relay Bank card is a simple process that should only take a few minutes. With your card activated, you're ready to start enjoying all the benefits of being a Relay Bank customer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.